Fáilte Irash gu speaking our language, gu sre e céhir, agus gu init liechid sa cóig. Is mise rúd an I gáil, ha min dochus gun cóst in sresho conari ian agus shona graif. The format of this, the fourth and final series, is similar to that of Series 3, except that there are no recaps. And in the last unit, Unit 72, there is no new language. Instead, you will hear Anne Lorne Gillis telling how she learned Gaelic and describing the many Gaelic activities in which she's involved. As with the other series, remember that these cassettes aren't dependent on written material and can be used on their own. If you would like written and visual material, remember that videos and full-colour study packs based on the television series Speaking Our Language are also available. I hope you've enjoyed the learning package so far, that you'll continue to enjoy the cassettes, and, above all, that they'll help you to achieve fluency. Gur maithe héit lív I gcúrsachuig ar Cánan.
Hallo Ríist, Cimar a háisih, is me sé íain, be me hín agus Sionach gur cúteach gus Gaelic únsachuig.
Hallo, is me sé Sionach. Fáilte go unit liechid sa cóig. In this unit we'll be preparing for going on holiday and paying particular attention to counting large numbers and amounts of money. First, I'll look at numbers 20 to 40.
Fichit nought. Fichit nought. £20. Fichit nought a hern. Fichit nought a hern. £21. Fichit nought a ga. Fichit nought a ga. £22.
Jay how would Gianov evadi?
Ha mi a cúntas an aradju jackum. Has ni dodder thir laichen, nach el?
Ha. Jay na hacket ma ha.
Fichit not sa hen, fichit not sa ga, fichit not sa tri, agus ceher skilling giac.
Chanil shun, Donna?
Fichit nought sa trí agus ceher skilling giag. £23 and 14 pence. Notice that skilling, not skillingen, is used.
There is an alternative method for counting items between 21 and 39. Instead of saying fichit nought a seach, you could say seach nochtichen erichit for 27, or seach nochtichen giag erichit for 37. For numbers up to 30, the ear can be left out. You could say, for example, seach nochtichen fichit.
Besides fichit, other numbers which are followed by the singular are dusan, a dozen, ciat, 100, lechiat, 50, mille, 1,000, and million, a million. Ciat nought. Ciat nought. £100. Mille nought. Mille nought. £1,000. Ciat gulé nought. Ciat gulé nought. £150.
Traditionally, Gaelic counts in 20s. Da ichit nought. Da ichit nought. £40. Drie fichit nought. £60. Keer fichit nought. £80. And keer fichit noughts a nai giag. Keer fichit noughts a nai giag. £99.
In the following conversation, listen for da hiet keer fichit nought sa nui. Da hiet keer fichit nought sa nui. £289.
Hamish, sjouw na prisen. Ha I at chod thuur. In is Chile. Chanile ach da hiet, keet figet nachts de nuig, gachtunge is an kovajiuk.
Ha is suur kerst geljaar. En jetching is time ha.
Na prisen, the prices. Hayat chosur, they're so cheap. Inish Chile, Iceland. Gachtunje, per person.
In the next scene, listen for Miele Kiet da ichet nocht se hoch. £1,148.
Jane vich da herken am se Greek.
Vig sin 3 giet, keet fichet nacht se tjech son gachinnevach. Agus kiet, keet fichet nacht se keet son gach paastje. Vig sin miele, kiet, da ichet nacht se hoch ulleke leed.
Na can room gewel a chod deursjen.
Sin na prisen ha ekelaram.
Innevach, adult. Pasture, child. Na can room, don't tell me.
The prices mentioned were 3 giet keer fichet nocht se jich, £390. Kiet keer fichet nocht se keher, £184, and Miele kiet da ichet nocht se hoch, £1,148. Ulleke leer, altogether in total. Notice it was 3 giet, not 3 kiet.
In the next scene, listen for Eriket Turkoch. Turkish money.
Jev mission hereket Turkach. Could he na ticket in doi? Futte doen gur ansen sparran.
Nime shingeloi.
Jev mische and tereket Turkach. I'll get the Turkish money. Could heen na ticketten doi? Could heen na ticketten doi? You organize the tickets.
In the next scene, listen for Kiet Miele Lira. 100,000 lira, and Kiet million lira, 100 million lira.
And for 6 million lira fichet nocht. 6 million lira fichet nocht. A million lira is worth £20.
J betelev.
Edeket Turkach maser tolle. Loch da wiele nacht.
Bishin 4 million lida. 6 million lida fichet nacht.
Apet edeket.
Appes gajarev. 4 mile lida. Da 4 mila. 3 mila. 4 mila.
We'll leave the teller counting. Loch da wiele nacht. £2,000 worth.
The same method is used for counting items other than money. Nui puingen giek. Nui puingen giek. 19 points. Kiet puing se ga giek. Kiet puing se ga giek. 112 points.
Numbers have a special form to define the position of something in a series. An Coic of La Vianulioch, the 5th of January, an Coic of La, The numbers from 1st to 10th are a Hiat, an Dara, or an Darna, an Tres, an Kerev, and Coicev, and Shiav, and Shachkev, and Tochkev, and Nuyev, and Jechev.
In the next dialogue, listen for An Cerev La Diac. An Cerev La Diac, the 14th, and An Dara La Fichet. An Dara La Fichet, the 22nd.
Evorach, cunha hasinne falav.
Ha cheirh lá diac yen jipling, agus ha sinne chilig an dara lá fichet.
Ja, ma dolidash gan Spain. J evliana of ashinyan me yedig.
Nei kiad diac ceir fichet sa trí ha mi is meunachig.
Jev Leona a Vashinyaun Moyerig. What year were we there last? Noi kiad diac ceir fichet sa trí. Noi kiad diac ceir fichet sa trí. 1983. When giving century and year, ciad is used for century. Och ciad diac sa fichet. 1820.
And finally, a word about personal names. As you will have noticed, when a person is addressed in Gaelic, the form of the name changes. Seamus becomes a Hamish. The A is dropped for names beginning with a vowel or F followed by a vowel. Eli remains Eli. Fiúlach becomes Úlai.